To my channel. Today we're going to make a spicy couscous tomato soup. Thought I'd do something a little bit different. So let's give it a try. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with peppers. I have two different kinds of peppers, one orange and one yellow. And a medium onion. Stir that around. Looks beautiful, beautiful colors. I'm going to cook these until they're like tender. Makes like, it seems like a springy dish. It's there. Okay, so now I have some garlic. That's 3 cloves of garlic. Throw that in there. Smelling good. Smells very good. Okay, so now we're going to stir in our vegetable broth. This is vegetable broth. I have 6 cups of vegetable broth. Okay. There we go. I guess I should measure it, but that's okay. So I'm going to bring this to a simmer. Add the vegetable broth, and I'm going to add 6 chopped up tomatoes. Add these wonderful spices. So I have coriander, put that in there. I have cayenne pepper, cinnamon, cumin. Stir that all together. Now you know why it's called spicy. So I'm going to let this simmer for about 20-25 minutes and get all those flavors blended together. So let me put a lid on it. Okay, so I'm stirring. That looks so good. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now we're going to add couscous and cook it for about 4 to 6 minutes. Let's add that. There we go. I'm going to add a tinge more broth. Okay. Okay, let's give it 4 to 6 minutes. Looking delicious. I can tell the couscous is starting to get done. Okay. That looks so good. I'll tell you, I make a lot of soup, and I can't tell you that I made any soups that weren't really, really good. I don't think I had a one that wasn't really good. No, I'm not familiar with couscous, and it had a lot of spices in it, so we're going to test it out. It is done. So we're going to dish some up. dish it up. Sure looks beautiful. It looks like something made in one of those fancy restaurants. It really does. It really looks delicious. Let's see. So there it is. I think you could put some Parmesan on that if you wanted. Good. That is so good. Mmm. So good. Mmm. I'm gonna go get Parmesan cheese. I'll be right back. Parmesan. Parmesan. See how that tastes. Yeah. This is so good. I think it's healthy too because it has green peppers, the onions, good garden soup. Good. Okay, come back and try my other soups. Crazy Good Foods. Subscribe, ring that bell, and get all my notifications. I'm gonna start making summer kind of food like salads and stuff like that because I'm gonna start my garden. Okay, see you later.